Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this absolutely stunning 3-bedroom semi-detached located on the Haveswood development, built in 2021, so still under builder's warranty. As you can see, you've got the integral garage, off-road parking for multiple cars. As we enter in the property, so the entrance hallway, you've got a fabulous open plan kitchen, living, dining space. Directly ahead of us, this lovely family lounge, which is bay fronted as we come in. So guest WC also off the hallway, and then on through this lovely, bright and airy kitchen, dining, living space. So as you can see, you've got plenty of storage in here, an integrated fridge freezer alongside the dishwasher, 5-ring gas hob, double oven and grill. There's beautiful Velux windows keeping it lovely and cool in here, and the French doors out onto the spacious rear garden. Tucked away behind the double doors is the utility cupboard. Also holds a boiler in there, plumbing and electrics in place, and then out onto this lovely spacious garden. Gated access back to the front, along with the external water tap, and then a further patio has been built, just for your bin storage and access into the garage. It does have power, you've got plug sockets in there, and it is fully insulated, so it could easily be converted, and somewhere around here would be your access point if you chose to do so. Then as we head up to the first floor, 3 brilliant sized bedrooms, master just to the left of the stairs, which is complete with the ensuite, shower cubicle in here, and a vanity unit. Heading down the landing, as you can see, you've got loft access, storage once again. This is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, which would accommodate a double bed. Just slightly a bit bigger back to the front of the house. Once again, your 3rd double, which is just currently being used as the office space and guest room. Storage in here, as I mentioned, and then this lovely modern family bathroom suite with storage shelves built in. Beautifully presented, just a few years old. As I mentioned, will still be under builder's guarantee. Located on the popular Haveswood development, which is located close to outstanding local schools. You've got Eccles recreation playing fields just over the road, a short walk away. Fabulous local amenities, shops all within easy reach. Brilliant transport links. Just a short walk into Eccles Centre. You'll also then find the bus station, Metrolink and train station. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this fabulous 3-bedroom semi-detached property, complete with a garage and off-road parking, a spacious garden to the rear, which does benefit from the sun, do please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.